Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is a side entry, manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. You can see I can slide that door open. It's not going to break on you, very simple. The spring assisted ramp here, look, I can pull it out using only my index finger. Super easy to do, take it to the ground. Anybody can do it. 30-inch wide ramp coming inside the van. About 52.5 inches of room. Inside the van, about 54.5 inches of room. Very clean interior. The back seats look like they've hardly ever been set in. They've got the firewall along the second sliding door. I like this because if you push someone in and that door's open, when you push someone in their wheelchair, they can't roll out. It's a great safety feature. I love it. So, very clean interior. Headliner looks good. You got your rear air controls. The dash looks to be in great shape. Got your steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road. The backup camera, you can sync your phone. Auxiliary cord, dual climate control, rear air. Plenty of plugs for your electronics. Got cup holders. And we do give a free set of Q-string pull tight tie downs away with each van. So when you got your passenger secure, come back out, put the ramp away, slide the door shut, you're ready to go. A very nice alternative to those electric ramps and doors. The electric ramps and doors are nice, but when they break, they're generally thousands of dollars to work on. So if you can get by with a manual ramp and door, I highly suggest it. A very clean exterior. It's got tinted windows in the rear. These tires are darn near brand new. Lots of tread left on them. The front tires are about 8/30 seconds. The back ones are about 10. So the 10 are like brand new. The front are very close to brand new. So 4 very good tires on here. See, that's the Brawnability conversion. On the interior, we always show you that barcode with the VIN number. That way you know I have this vehicle here in my possession. This is not some internet scam. And then what we do with that VIN number, we run a free Carfax report with each vehicle. You can see no accidents or damage, just 2 owners. There's a commercial and personal vehicle. Shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. Shows no total loss, so this is not a salvage vehicle. This is not a rebuilder. It's a clean title, no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage. No airbags have been deployed. The odometer checks out good. No accidents reported. So overall, super clean vehicle. Also, no matter who you're buying from, do your due diligence. Find out who they are. You can find us on eBay. 900 transactions, 0 negative feedback. That's 900 people said we did them right. 0 people said we did them wrong. Also, you look up who you're buying from on Google. Make sure they're a real company like us. And you can see our 4.7 out of 5-star reviews. You can see all the great things people are saying about us. As far as the interior of the vehicle, very clean. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. When I go to turn it on, fires right up. First time, every time. You can see the current miles, 25,219. We've got no dummy lights, so there's no check engine lights, no airbag, no ABS lights, none of that. You can see that backup camera works. I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We push all the buttons. We make sure everything works. The heat, the air, the cruise, power mirror over there, power windows, power locks. This is not some vehicle that we ship out to you and it's got a bunch of issues we didn't tell you about. See the back vents even work back there. Got a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly, sounds great. No signs of any leaks, no signs of any damage. Purrs like a kitten. Okay, back to the interior of the vehicle. Very clean. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. I've already showed you the interior a little bit, just showing you a little different view of it. Got 2 keys with the keyless entry, and you can see the current miles 25,222, so just over 25,000 miles on it. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS, there's no dummy lights on. And I've got 2 mechanics that work for me. We test everything on these vehicles before we put them on the lot. See the power mirrors work, power windows, power locks. And you're gonna notice if you've been used vehicle shopping, people don't often give you the full story. They don't tell you about the check engine light on. They don't tell you about the window that doesn't work. They don't tell you about the slipping transmission. Man, that is not how I do business. That's why I make these videos, so you know. Underneath the hood is a 3-point V6, idles smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same, very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any leaks, no signs of any abnormal rust or anything like that. So that's what we're looking for. That's the number one mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it has 25,000 miles on it. They assume because it looks nice in pictures. They assume because the salesperson is nice to them. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's not all rusted out. What I want you to do, I want you to go to my competition's website. Go ahead, go look at the competition. Do they have pictures, much less a video of the undercarriage? I know these guys. I know where they're buying from. I watched them at auction. They're buying a lot of these from New York, Chicago, the Northeast. They're buying them really cheap because nobody wants them because they're rust buckets. They don't show you the pictures underneath, or they throw a coat of spray paint on them, and they sell you a clunker that already has a bunch of rust issues, which is not only a major inconvenience, it's going to cost a lot of money down the road to keep up. It's dangerous. So what you're going to do, because you're smart, you're going to demand a detailed video like this and pictures. You're going to tell people, hey, get off your behind, get out there and make a detailed video. What you're also going to do is you're going to demand a Carfax report. You're going to see the history of the vehicle, and you're going to look them up online, whoever you're buying from, find out if they're a real company. You're going to see what people are saying about them. I know all around the country. I know who the good dealers are. I know who the shady ones are. So do your research. I'm not going to name anybody by name, but be careful who you're buying from. There are a lot of wolves out there in this business. Okay, the final portion of the video. I like to get the vans out on a test drive, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. The steering wheel's nice and straight. We've got the cruise control set. Cruise works great. With all that being said, please keep in mind this is a used vehicle. We strongly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. They go anywhere from 90 days all the way up to 8 years and everywhere in between. And also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. Then you got to factor in shipping because they don't have free shipping like we do. Then they have all these hidden fees they don't tell you about. Maybe it's in the fine print. Maybe they don't tell you at all until it's time to pay. The next thing you know, that real nice price you saw online is about $3,000 or $4,000 more than you expected once you get the van to your driveway and pay all their hidden fees. My question to you is, if someone's not going to tell you the real price on a vehicle, if they're going to have all these hidden fees, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a mechanical issue, a salvage title, a flood? I don't know. I just know if people aren't being honest and upfront from the get-go, there's a really good chance there's some other things they're hiding, and that's unfortunate. So if you'd like to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, I'll give you my cell phone number. I am the owner, 316-518-4377. Again, my name is Jeremiah. You now have my cell phone number and the owner. And I want you to ask the competition, especially those big companies like Freedom Motors, United Access, Mobility Works, the big VMI and Braun companies. Ask them, hey, are you committed enough to customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number? Do you want to be a number and just talk to one of those big companies, or do you want to be able to reach out to the owner? So that's up to you to decide. Nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. Hey, and back to giving a phone call, you're welcome to call or text me anytime. If you do want to call and talk to a used car salesman with the competition, go ahead and do so. They're probably going to call you 5 times a day asking if you're ready to make a deal. If you want to deal with absolutely zero pressure sales, give me a call. I'm going to sell this van whether you buy it or not. I promise you that. I don't work on commission. I am the owner of the company. So keep that in mind. And yes, we have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or your email address. And if technology is not really your thing, pick up the phone, call me. We'll spend 5 minutes on the phone with you, get an application taken, and we're more than happy to help. And yes, we do take trade-ins. Even if you're across the country, and whether it's a regular vehicle or a mobility vehicle, doesn't matter. Call me, I can explain how all that works. And to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free Carfax reports, and dozens of pictures, check us out, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316 handicappaccessible.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.